trace of pleasure.
Huwag kang mag-alala, ha? Matapang si Mark. He's gonna survive.
Yes, Greggy. Is it about Mark?
Miss, ikaw ba kasama ni Mark yung pasyat ng saksak?
Kamusta na ho ang lagay niya?
Dapisa naman ang tama niya. Wala namang tinamang organ.
Sino kaya yung kaibigan na pinupuntahan ni Mark dito? Kilala ko ba siya?
I will be in trouble kung mag-abot si Martha at si Mami.
Hindi ka sumusunod sa akin. Sinabi ko na sa'yo, huwag kang sasali sa beauty contest kasi ang beauty contest para lang sa malalanding babae. Huwag ka nang magpapakamartir para sa akin.
Huwag mag-alala, Martha. May mga tao naman nagmamahal sa'yo.
Tama yung sinabi mo. Si Mark. Alam mo ba, Dante, sinagot ko na si Mark. I think I'm
In fact, I already met her in the hospital, but I'd like to meet her once more formally.
Talaga? Don't worry. Excited siya na makita ka. Kung gustong-gusto pa niya.
Inside her shell.
Rebecca, sigurado kung ubusin mo yung cake na yan?
Nakakainis kasi si Mark eh. Talagang hindi niya ako tinatawagan. I don't know what else to do para mahalin niya ako. Sarap naman ng cake na to. Nakakawala ng depression. Gusto mo?
Huwag na sa'yo na lang. Ay mukhang kulang pa nga sa'yo.
Salamat.
Rebecca, what the hell are you doing?
Huh? I'm eating, Mama.
You're eating! Are you out of your mind? Hindi mo ba alam kung ilang milyong calories meron yung cake na yan? It will ruin your figure.
Eh, Mami, ang payat-payat naman ni Rebecca eh. Kahit nga maubos niya buong cake na hindi yan tataba.
Ah, ganon. Eh, di lamunin mo lahat yan nang malaman mo. Wala naman akong pakialam kung tumaba ka eh. Alam mo, hindi mo kasi naiintindihan ang concern naming mga beauty queen. At ikaw, dahil kumain ka niyang cake na yan, salad na lang ang kainin mo for lunch. And low-fat milk for dinner. Okay? Yaya, alisin niyo nga yan. Pag nakita ko yan na kumakain ng cake, humanda kayo lahat sa akin. Alis! Paalisin niyo yan!
Nakakainis naman to si Mami. May crave pa naman ako ng sweets.
Huwag ka mag-alala, Rebecca. Marami akong sweets and chocolate sa week ko.
Talaga?
Oo, hindi ka na. Pinibigyan ka na.
Yes, Greg, yes. Sige, I'll call you. Sige, ingat. Bye.
Wow.
Bagay ba?
Bagay na bagay. It was made perfectly for you. You did great. Miss, we'll take the dress, the shoes, and the purse.
Okay, sir.
Beautiful. So beautiful. Yuri! Margie! I am so happy that you could make it. I thought this na bin mong party ko.
Of course, I wouldn't do that to you. Especially when you told me that darating ang bagong girlfriend ni Mark.
Oh, okay. She is the daughter of Leovida Rivas. Remember her? Yes. She was the former winner of Binibining Islas Filipinas. And guess what? Rebecca is also a beauty queen. I'm so excited to meet her. Akala ko kung sinong babae lang ang pinupuntahan ni Mark sa Batangas. Ganun pala. May sinabi. May pedigree. I'm so excited.
Magsimula na yung party.
Good. Thank you.
Salamat.
Okay, gain weight, but trying. Oh yeah, thank you. But
Dahan-dahan lang ha, madulas.
was it traffic? Thank you.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Hi, Mark.
Hi guys, good evening. Hey, how are you? Thanks for coming. Thank you. Bakit?
Baka hindi ako magustuhan ng mami mo.
Relax lang, Maita. Tsaka nagsabi na gusto ko niyang makilala, di ba? So just nothing to worry about. Okay?
Okay. I thought we could go this week.
Hi, Mother. Mother, this is Maita, my girlfriend. Maita, this is my mother, Yuri.